Hey, Frank, did you hear about John?
What about John?
John got promoted, man, in the personnel department.
Wow, Danny, that's great, man. He's a great guy. I'm happy for him, too, man. Right on.
Okay, I'm gonna see you in the morning, Frank.
All right, in the morning. See you in the morning. Look like it's about to start to raining, Danny.
It sure is. Everybody trying to get out the rain. I hope my baby didn't record him. I'm gonna call him when I get home. My girl. Love that girl. I'm gonna call her right now. I really hope she's home. Hi.
Oh, hi, baby.
Did you get caught in the rain?
Not too much. Are you all right?
Yeah, I'm fine, baby. I'm just thinking about you. I love you so much.
I love you too.
You know what I was thinking about on the way home? I was thinking about you and me, baby. And how happy we were. Baby, I really